Hey everybody, Rachel here and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, karibu sana. Karibu, you're welcome, you're very welcome. Yeah, so today we'll be doing a bentonite clay wash, just a simple one. So what I do normally, and I'll be showing you how I do the mixing and how I do everything from start to end. I'll tell you guys the benefits, and I hope you guys will love it. So currently my face is rinsed. I just rinsed it, and it feels really tight. Yeah, dry, but probably gonna get a bit tighter with the bentonite also on it. So the bentonite clay, the volcanic clay that I'll be using is from Chef Naturals. Yeah, I hope you can see it well. That's from Mizizi. Yeah, so I ordered mine from Jumia. I'll put the link there in the description down below. Maybe you can, I don't know if they're still available. It's 200 grams. I can't remember the price. I've used it for a while now because I don't use it every time. It's once in probably a month or in 2 weeks. Yeah, so when I just feel I need a good cleansing, that's when I get it. Yeah, so it's 100% pure sodium bentonite clay. It's bentonite clay is a healing clay formed by volcanic ash. It has many variations depending on the anoic salt. So I think also Aztec is one of the volcanic clays that are used on the face. Yeah, so this bentonite is best for drawing out metals toxins out of your hair and skin, so you can use it both for your hair and skin. So the same way you just mix it for your face. If you have any remaining and you're also having a wash day, you just apply it on your hair. Personally, when I apply it on my hair, I don't let it dry too much because it gets a bit hard to get it off my hair. And so I just, like, once my face is ready, I just rinse them all together. Yeah, so it balances the pH of your hair and skin while effectively removing any product buildup, which is so good because some shampoos can't do that for you, so this does that for you. So by today, what we'll be doing is just for the facial mask. Yeah, so it leaves you feeling moisturized, smooth, and yeah, really clear, soft, and glowy skin, making you look younger by the day. I mean, who doesn't want that? So I think we can just get into mixing. Maybe when I'm applying, I'll try to check up some more benefits. And also, what I always advise you guys to do is before you use a product or anything that you're gonna use on your skin, on your hair, just make sure you do some good research about it. Yeah, like deep research, hear different stories, and then maybe just get to know which one will work for you. Check maybe your skin type, your hair type, what else, how it's reacted to them, what they've combined it with to work better with, yeah, all those things. Plus, at least you know countermeasures. If in case it fails, you know what to do. Yeah, you need to learn, love yourself so much. Yes, so let's get into mixing and application and see how it goes. So I believe you're set. So all we need is just these simple things here. As you can see, I have the have the clay, some water. I'll just be using water today, and my bowl for mixing. So yeah, I'll just put some. It's really ashy. Yeah, so I'll just pour like that amount into there, and then just add some water. I hope you can see well. Okay, so just add some water. Okay, I think I added too much. But anyways, just mix. Okay, it kinda takes some time to get the consistency because this is like mixing flour and cold water. Yeah, but we're gonna get there. So what you want it to be is like a paste, kinda like kinda mixture. Yeah, you want it to be pasty. So it ended up adding too much water, so I'll just add the what's this? Add the clay. Yeah. So much now because I added too much water without knowing. So I'll have to get some on my mister. I know he's not gonna enjoy it, but yeah, so this is how it looks. So I prefer using my fingers to apply. Yeah. So let's get to applying. I hope you guys can see me well. So this one it kind of looks a bit white from what I've watched. I've seen the Aztec is a bit on the browner side, I guess. Oh, I forgot this. So I just massage it. It smells like I don't know, like wet clay. But more on the metal side, I think. Not too metally. There's a word like that, but I don't know if I should also get it to my face, to my lips. I mean, I think if it's good for my face, it's also good for my lips. Yeah, so I think we're set here. Yeah, so what we have left is just let it dry. So I think as I let it dry, I'll just read to you guys the benefits. Let me look up what I had saved. Okay, so the first thing that pops up is that bentonite clay heals acne. So I think you can see its benefits clearly because I don't have any acne. It unclogs skin pores. It draws out toxins, which is one of the things they actually tell you on the product, the package. It naturally exfoliates skin. Want that? Who does not want that? So it also softens the skin. That's so true. It smoothens it out so much. I probably, if I was more religious to it, I don't think I have anything to complain about my skin, but I think it's because I've been using natural stuff. But it brightens the skin, that's for sure. I can attest to all this. It's done all this for me. It reduces the appearance of scars. Okay, that one I'm not sure about, but I'm gonna wait and see. Heals and regenerates skin tissues. Yeah, so we're gonna wait and see if it's actually gonna heal my scars, because I have like 1 or 2 scars on my face from busting something that I couldn't resist. Yeah, so aside from that, frankly, it's really good. Bentonite is just amazing, and you guys should just try it out. So I can see other benefits is that it evens your skin tone. What's this? Tones and tightens the skin. Okay, I can already start feeling tight. Prevents blackheads. Yeah, so guys, you're not gonna lose anything by trying this out. It's not expensive. I'll definitely link that in the description down below, or if I remember, I'll probably just attach it. Where will I attach it? I'll attach it here. Yeah, I'll attach it there, the price and where I got it from. You'll find it all there. Yeah, so I think all you need to do is just be kind of a bit religious, and plus you can see I'm basically turning to a ghost. Yeah, it's almost dry, it's not fully dry. So yeah, my brothers really like seeing me like this, but gosh, I don't even want to look at myself in the mirror. So I'm gonna leave it to dry for just a bit. Yeah. Hey, so it's all dry. My face is so tight. Yeah, this sector is so tight, and my hands are really messy, so I'm gonna just go rinse myself off and then just come and show you the results, and I hope you love them. I can't even smile. Yeah, so I've just rinsed my face and I feel amazing. Yeah, as you can see, this soft. Yeah, so smooth, so soft. Well, after the water dries out, you're gonna be tight again. Yeah, so what you do is, after rinsing off your face, if you've done the Bentonite cleanse during the day or in the morning hours, just use a moisturizer after, but preferably just do it at night, then just let your water dry and then just sleep with your skin feeling all cleansed and just pores opened. Yeah, so personally, if I don't part my face dry, just let the water dry on my face. I feel like the skin retains the moisture because I mean it's water, so I'm probably not just gonna dry it. I'm just gonna leave it to dry off. Yeah, but frankly speaking, I'm feeling very fresh, yeah, and very smooth and light, and I know it's gonna help my skin. It's definitely gonna benefit me. Yeah, so if you want to try the bentonite clay, definitely try it out. And don't forget, this one I got it from Mizizi. I'm sure they have an Instagram page. I'll definitely attach it. Yeah, maybe on this side. Yeah, I'll attach it on that side here, and then maybe for the place where I got it from Jumia, I'll definitely do another attachment somewhere here. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved the video, and if you did, if you felt that it was informative, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, and I love you all so much. Yeah, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and welcome. And thank you so much for the support, and I love you all. Love and light as always.